Hello, students. Today we are covering lesson 9.5 on volumes of pyramids. So follow along in your textbook on page 384, please. Right now, I'd like you to copy down the key idea. Volume of a pyramid is a volume, or capital V, of a pyramid is 1/3 the product of the area of the base and the height of the pyramid. So just like we learned for volume of prisms, it's area of the base times height, but this time we multiply it by 1/3 since pyramids are 1/3 of the size of a prism. Go ahead and pause the video and copy this down. I'd also like you to draw this image if you can. Example 1 is finding the volume of a pyramid found on page 384. So to find the volume, we use our formula V equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the pyramid. So the area of the base in this particular example is given to us. Since we have a shape that we may not know how to find the area for, they provide us with B, and they say it is 48 millimeters squared. So you just substitute 48 for the area of the base, and the height of the pyramid is 9. Now, when you take 1/3 times 48 times 9, 1/3 is the same thing as dividing by 3. So if you imagine 48 divided by 3 would go 16 times. So if you wanted to simplify, it'd be 16 times 9. And when you multiply that together, you get a volume of 144, and it's in millimeters cubed, or cubic millimeters. Example 2. Here we have 2 other pyramids to solve. For A, again, we use the formula volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. And our base is the bottom shape here, which is a rectangle. So it's going to be 1/3 times 3 times 4. And the height of this pyramid is shown here in red, and it is a height of 7 feet. So I'm going to multiply inside the parentheses first. 1/3 times 12 times 7. Now 1/3 times 12 means 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And 4 times 7 is 28. And this is in cubic feet. Now for part B, our base here is this triangle on the bottom. And the triangle has a base of 17.5 meters. So we're going to take 1/3 times the area of base, which is 17.5, times the height of 6. And to find the area of a triangle, remember it's base times height divided by 2. So we're going to divide this by 2. Another way to show this, and I believe the way it's shown in your textbook, is the 1/3 times 1/2 times the base of 17.5 times the height of 6. That's for the triangle. Now we multiply this times the height of the pyramid, which is 10. So to simplify, what will work is, if you notice, 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6. And if we have 1/6 times 17.5 times 6 times 10, you will notice that the 6 here will cancel out with the 6 there. So all you have to do is multiply 17.5 times 10, which equals 175 cubic meters. Now I'd like you to try on your own numbers 1 through 3. Find the volume of each pyramid. In number 1, they do give you the area of the base is 21 square feet. For 2, find the area of the base and then multiply it by the height. Don't forget it's 1/3 base times height. Let me give you the formula once again. So you remember 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. And number 3 is just like what we did in the last example. Okay, example 3 is our real life application. The volume of sunscreen in bottle B is about how many times the volume for bottle A? So we have 2 figures here. They're both in the shape of pyramids. We have to find the volume for each figure. So for A, we can multiply 1/3 times the area of the base, which is going to be 2 times 1, which is 2, times the height, which is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 divided by 3 gives you a volume of 4, and this is in inches cubed. Now for bottle B, we use our same formula, 1/3 times the area of the base. Now 3 times 1.5 is our base. And then the height of this one is 4. Now, you might want to cross cancel here. 3 and 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So all you have to multiply now is 1.5 times 4, which gives you a volume of 6 cubic inches. So bottle B actually holds more sunscreen. Now to find out how many times more, you just divide. B divided by A, so 6 divided by 4 equals 1.5 times more. So bottle B does hold 1.5 times more soap. Or sunscreen, sunscreen. Now, which one is the better buy? What you do is you find the unit price, the cost divided by how much it holds, the volume. So bottle A costs $9.96, and it holds 4 cubic inches. So the price per cubic inch, when you divide, equals $2.49 per cubic inch. You do the same thing for B, cost over volume. So it's $14.40 divided by the 6 cubic inches. When you divide, bottle B costs $2.40 per cubic inch. So bottle B actually costs less. So this is the better buy. You would save more money. Okay, right now I'd like you to try on your own number 4. This is bottle C. Bottle C is on sale for $13.20. Is bottle C a better buy than bottle B in example 3? So you need to find the volume and compare it to the price, just like we did. If it costs less, please explain why it would be a better buy. Your exit ticket for today is to complete your RAP Journal numbers 1 through 6 on page 204 in your RAP Journal. You need to find the volume of each of these pyramids and remember to show all your work. If you have any questions, we'll go over these in class tomorrow. I hope you have a great evening, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.